There is a $177 million class action lawsuit and a $14 million class action lawsuit that nobody is talking about. There are 3 massive financial bombshells breaking right now, and nobody is talking about them. A major telecom just got caught leaking your data to the dark web. One of America's biggest banks is handing out up to $1,000 per person. And the housing market, it might soon start accepting crypto for mortgages. I'm going to be counting down the 3 biggest stories that nobody is talking about, starting at number 3 to the number 1 story that could literally cost you thousands if you ignore it. This isn't just news, it's money news. And if you stay to the end, I'll tell you how to claim your cash, protect your identity, and prepare for what's next. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Starting with number 3, crypto in mortgage underwriting is really happening. If you've been living under a rock, crypto is literally coming to the housing market. In a huge move that could shake up how Americans buy homes, FHFA Director William Poult just announced that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will begin preparing to accept cryptocurrency as a qualifying asset in mortgage applications. Poult posted on X, "I want people who own cryptocurrency to be able to buy homes. It's time the housing system caught up." So right now, if you own $100,000 in Bitcoin, it means nothing to mortgage lenders, but this could change everything. Imagine showing your crypto wallet as proof of reserves when applying for a mortgage. Imagine qualifying for a home loan with digital assets just like cash in the bank. That's the shift we're staring down right now. Now understand, no official policy is in place yet, but the FHFA is aligning with Trump's vision to make the US the crypto capital of the world. So here's what it means. Expect massive changes in mortgage software, regulation, and verification. Fintech is about to explode into real estate, which is the craziest thing. And if you're holding crypto, get ready. You might soon be able to put it towards your dream home. If this happens, it's the biggest mortgage update in decades. But the mortgage sector is not the only place that crypto is moving into, because as you can see right here, this is the Gemini Credit Card. It is a crypto credit card. So instead of giving you miles or points, it's actually giving you crypto of your choice as a reward. And if you haven't heard yet, American Express is also partnering with Coinbase, which is set to release sometime in the fall. So I'll keep you updated on that also as it moves along, and once that card rolls out, we'll actually talk about it. Now that's a futuristic change, but our next story is about payouts happening right now. Now story number 2, Credit One's $14 million robocall settlement. So if Credit One Bank spammed your phone between 2014 and 2019, they might owe you up to $1,000. That's because they're settling a $14 million lawsuit over robocalls that allegedly violated the TCPA, which is the Telephone Consumer Protections Act. These were automated or pre-recorded calls made without your consent, even if you weren't a customer, which is wild to think about. Like, how do they get your phone number? How do they get access to call you is the real question I have here. But here's what you need to know. Credit One is paying $14 million to settle, but of course, they admit no wrongdoing. Now, after lawyers and admin take their cut, about 8 to 9 million will go to claimants. Individual payouts expect between $100 and $1,000 depending on how many valid claims are submitted. You're eligible if you received a robocall or pre-recorded message from Credit One or its affiliates between 2014 to 2019. You didn't give them express permission, and the number was yours even if you weren't a customer. Now, the court approval is pending. Once it clears, a website will launch. Notices will go out via mail or email. You'll have 60 to 90 days to file your claim. You'll just need your name, the number called, and possibly a statement or a document. Payouts will follow in 6 to 9 months, which is pretty standard. But why does this matter? It reminds companies you can't spam people's phones and get away with it. It gives you real cash and forces better privacy protections going forward. So be ready and be aware of scams. Don't pay anyone to file this claim. This is one of the biggest scams we see in settlements. People will reach out to say, hey, we'll file this claim for you if you pay us a certain amount of money. Don't do any of that. But the biggest story today, it's not futuristic, it's not historical, it's happening right now. And it could affect your privacy, your money, and your future. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Jay, Jay's credit score went up 222 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Abdul's credit score went up 206 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Alexander. Alexander's credit score went up 211 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Story number one is AT&T's $177 million data breach settlement that nobody is talking about. Because AT&T just got caught with your data on the dark web. A Texas judge approved a $177 million settlement after two major data breaches that exposed personal info and phone records of US customers. Now here are the breaches. Breach one was in 2024. Hackers dumped personal information, including names, emails, and possibly more onto the dark web. Then breach number two was between 2022 and 2023. Hackers accessed private call logs and text data. And this wasn't just a few unlucky users, as a lot of people may act like it's not a big deal. The breach covers millions. Now let's talk about what's being offered. 149 million will go to people whose info hit the dark web. Now another 29 million is set aside for people whose call logs were exposed. I mean, it's kind of wild. Like, what do you want call logs for? But apparently they're valuable. Now the benefits are going to include cash payments, amount, of course, to be determined based on claim volume, and then up to 24 months of credit monitoring. I don't understand why they offer this, because they should offer it for life. Because 24 months, like really? Like in 24 months, nothing's gonna change, and then something changes after 24 months, and then now you have to pay for the credit monitoring yourself? I mean, come on. Last part's the most important. So these are the deadlines that you need to know and pay attention to. Now you can opt out or object by October 17th, 2025. The final approval is scheduled for December 3rd, 2025. So what happens if you ignore this? You risk leaving cash on the table, you stay unprotected against identity theft, and you let companies walk all over your rights. This is about more than just a payout, it's about a wake-up call. Because AT&T failed to protect your data and now they're paying for it, but only if you claim your peace. Please don't sleep on this, because these breaches affect real people, real identities, and real money. Yours could be next. Now, if you want something to protect all of your personal information and your families, make sure to comment protect, and I'll drop it in the comments for you with a 14-day free trial. And you can also find it in the video description if you need it. So let's recap this breaking news. Number 3, crypto could soon qualify you for a mortgage. Number 2, Credit One might owe you $1,000 for robocalls. And number 1, AT&T's paying out $177 million for a massive privacy breach that nobody is talking about. So here's what you need to do next. Hit the like button, and I can also alert you the moment these claim portals go live. I will drop another video giving you a full walkthrough. Now remember, this is financial news, unplugged, uncensored, and all about you. But if you have any collections or charge-offs that you need to delete from your credit report, make sure to watch this next video right here, because AI can do it all for you with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.